Hello, useza?
Ya ngiyeza ngisendleleni manje.
Alright ke. Mina ngibize nozinhle ke uzofika kuqala women chick walala wasala.
Welcome to Mzansi's Finest Videos. This is Davis Mukhomo. Hope you will enjoy this one, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I will appreciate that a lot. Please like, comment, and share. Like already. Thank you.
ATM emetse njalo. Automatic teller machine. Wena zena?
Yandri.
You.
Automatic turning machine. Automatic turning machine.
Abangani bakho nje bajabula mawusoloko ukhipha imali ebhiya maka wakhipha igirlfriend yakhe ama-out bathudlisiwe. Abangani bena.
Yodlikota nathi.
Umuntu lo ungizela nezitori la isho nje ukuthi usufuna ukuhlukana nami because you want to go through my phone for what? Ufuna ukuthola yini le ngaka ukuthi uzoyithola efonini yami? Sho ungithembi kahle kahle. You want my password to my phone. There's no trust in this relationship. You want to go through my private conversations, mind you, with my parents, with my friends, my aunties. You want my password to my phone for what?
My colleagues.
Isho nje uzofuna ukuhlukana nami akukho kunye phela. Manje lokhu uyayiwayindisa le ndawo. Uyayiwayindisa.
Guys, yabona Mjolo uzosibulala guys. Yabo izolo ebusuku ngangiqala nqa ukuzizwa ngikhala njengenyoka. Hayi, guys. Ngikhala njengenyoka ngizonje sengithi ningangiphikisa ngazi nami nyoka kanjalo. Kodwa nje bese ngithi nje hayi guys. Umjolo uzosibulala bafethu yoyeni.
Yale. Dima ngkhona ditsimpe mane mina Peter. Ha se ngkhona motho. Ke ngwana Adelaide le kuosi. Ke no re tlile mo party ya gagwe ya 21st. Ke Anita.
Ke ngkhona.
Ya la sina nene tshebe. John. Oh. Hey. John. Ashapiwa. Usasiye wena Peter man. Chips ya babalo. Mara ya no John chips ikana ka yona. E kana ka chips.
Wa yena pero skipa sa chips.
Man, le rata ntse le sila falletsa batho matsatsi lona.
Mina guys ngibonile abafana bawasha amaphilo case enye into ecede headline ile nto lokulala ngemicamelo different every weekend yabona
Atla korite ure.
Arayazini asikho lapha yazini ayikuthi ngizama ukuniprofita or something mara lo muntu lobukele le video le manje uwe shame noba ngathini
Peters.
Awa.
Kasi gents have to understand that a disagreement or a difference in opinion doesn't mean we have to fight or insult each other. Because kasi fights start weird, right? It's like Messi ke njato ngaw maka wena Cristiano ke jangwa wena ubua masepa Oscar ke ubua masepa take now.
Can we meet? No guys. Mithani ama requirements wase university. Futhi yazini asikho lapho yazini guys nitshwana abantu abadala shem. Noma ngathi niyastida nibayenza amapopayi. Okusala ikhehla siyalazi thina.
Ebafethu, if umuntu wakho upost izithombe zakho ku social media, mele uhlale wazi ukuthi awuxabene nomuntu wakhe wamampela.
Eish, uqhumela loya.
And ha o ka mpona ko maraba starta ke tshwere beke ya Gucci or Louis Vuitton o tswe mo nna China e boletse ntse ditaba akere ne ke itse ke jealous
Dia foforega tseo.
Nalo jola naye manje umzalela umntwana akungabe ngathi uyakhetha manje.
Jwala kabi lo ukuthi uzokhonendela abaZulu thina singabezulu phela ukuthi yena ungwale usuku uzohlala la asihlangana lokho don't get two things on do and that to come these things on the I'm around to do
Hola mashal.
Akuve ngithanda usibuza imibuzo ebhedile nje imibuzo ebheke eceleni ucaza ukuthini mid conversations ongibuza so unayo indoda uyayibona iring la
Ikhona na
wenze ngathi mina I don't cheat wenze ngathi I'm not out here looking for my future husband you know I have a placeholder he might have the title of boyfriend but he's a placeholder because it's no ring on my finger bro. You're gonna ask me how long does it take for you to get married? 3 months 2 days even ngashada wena manje mawungezi 2 manje mawuzongibuza imibuzo ebheke eceleni uzothi do you have a boyfriend uhlangana naphi ne-personal life yami
engwe e labisang gape go diphitlho moradisi le dibui tse di tsentsweng mo programming batho ba ba lapisa ba kore ha go te ema hano ha o nne moradisi director program why tshwanetse gore speakera musibui se ha setsa go tswa lwena bo sala o tla go tlhalosela so se kgalantsa se bua o le ha tswa lwena gape o tla go tlhalosela so se ntsa se bua ame ha gone go director program ela o emele gore thata program ya phitlho ba ga isho ya phitlho yone ke kopa gore re nne serious ka yone
phitlho tshwarisa tlala
o mo bitse le ene mamang moemedi wa lelapa ha tsena ha itlhabue ditlontlokwane o le lena atle a itse ha o wa sheba go ntle kwa letlatsi le utlwela ga ya batho ba tshwere ke tlala le tlotlona le bile tlotlona
e tlala ya go lefung ya
phitlho e ya mabitleng ka sethoboloko ha re tsena gone ka rona ba re sena dikoloi ke sono ka rona re emelana mo letsatsi le re betsa ka gore le sentse nako go tirelong ya go phitlho ya go sailing gone kwa ntse le tlotlona le sa itse go itlotlona mane di program director tlhompa nako ya rona ba gaetsho
please
la go eletsa re sa tlhole re tla go diphitlhong yano re tla tlela ha phitlho e tsamaya ya mabitleng because wow do tse le di dira di services tse le di dirang go tirelong ya go sailing bathong tlhompa nako ya phitlho ba gaetsho au le molato tota
program director le wa follow
so vele it's a long weekend about this one so it was time to do shopping so we go to a Pick n Pay Hyper right it was so full that the queues were going inside of the aisles okay fine we are taking in the queue then I see a Chinese man on the next aisle right we're in the queue he leaves his full trolley right and takes another empty one to go do shopping again shop so now I'm closer now right on the next door one but I'm closer then Suyong comes back with another full trolley but the trolley has been moved to the side and now there's a lady, let's call her Cassandra. She's now scanned halfway through her trolley. Then Jiggy Wang understand it was going down in Mandarin. I don't know what he was saying. Nobody could understand what he was saying, but we got it. He was basically fighting with Cassandra that he was next, and Cassandra had the audacity to move his trolley to the side so she can scan her things. Cassandra is shook. The cashier is shook. As the bystanders are like. So, Suyong starts taking away the things that have already been scanned and he puts them into her trolley, right? He didn't care. So then the cashier starts to explain that you can't just leave your trolley and expect to be next. In English. Suyong retaliates. The store manager there. Then the store manager comes to try and resolve the issue. Cassandra then picks up the phone and calls her husband. I need to call my husband. Now the shop steward and the manager are calming this lady down. Meanwhile, they're trying to move Suyong to the next aisle and open a till for him separately. But Suyong was not having it. And he refused to speak English. He was just Mandarin the whole way. So Cassandra, which was just like on the phone with her husband, now all the queues have stopped. We want to see this unfold, including myself. After about 10 minutes, we see a mountain of a man, right? A mountain. You can't do that. no, you can't do that, sir. This is my wife. And we are just watching.
A mountain of a man.
They give Cassandra a Sprite on the house. Pick and Pay Mara. They give Cassandra a Sprite to calm her down. They give her chocolate to calm her down, and then they take her things, and then they move her to the new caching place. Then we left Su Young to continue his stuff being scanned. The 2 full trolleys. I vele ding ding ding. While he's waiting, understand? I vele we are just looking. That time I'm still in the queue. I'm not even moving the way I joined the wrong queue. As Su Young decides then to take his trolleys, he's finished paying and whatever, ne? He goes to the door. I vele. It started again. He was not having it in Mandarin. Then the manager was like, "I do just go. Whatever is beeping will beep later. Like we will pay for it. Just take your trolleys and go." Then he leaves. Then Cassandra has things. She was still busy. Cassandra is busy with her things, but you can see that she's distraught, and you don't understand that the Sprite is going. The free Sprite is going down. But kudos to Pick n Pay for handling it. Like they handled it with such decorum. I also didn't understand why this man refused to speak English. He was just Mandarin it the whole way with anger. But anyway, yeah, it was nice to watch. It was really nice to watch. Funny how he spoke Mandarin and we understood everything he was saying.
Wacikwa umthetho kama wakho ukuthi angimfuni nje umuntu ohamba ebusuku la ekhaya umuntu uma engafuni ulalela umthetho wami akahamba wakho umuzi wakhe uphume la ekhaya wena uye kwakho umuzi wakho wena futhi ulanda inkanyamba yabona same WhatsApp group ukuthi uma wakho uyinkanyamba ababo wakho yabona futhi wayengcono uma wakho ngoba mawuphulile umthetho lo wawuthola nje imbibizana nje kuphela ukhale uyohlala lapha gogo wakho akuthulisi inkanyamba zivele ifaka isandla lapha kule nkomo shefile vefaka isandla kuyo le nkomo wayikhokhela inkomo zo11 ungatholi lutho wena ukhalise kweambulance yes ufika umtshele kahle umuntu ukuthi mama ngoba kudlala iChampions League namhlanje igame iqala ngo9 zithe insizwa sidibane lapha na sihlale sibuka ibhola ngizohamba ke mina mama ngiyobuka ibhola lapha na ngizobuya makuphela ibhola ngokusho nje lokho wena yena kule computer yakhe le usebale izinto eziningi wena ususane necontract kahle kahle uyabuya ngo11 uma kuphela ibhola kuyena ibhola lidlala 90 minutes sho ngo11 usula ekhaya yes
aneliphela ngo
akubalwanga la ukuthi ngenzeka kube neextra time ngenzeka kube nama penalty ngenzeka kube nalento ethi award ceremony la khisha khona indebe nama medal akubalwanga lokho wena ngo11 ufuneka la ekhaya yes uma kwenzekile ngoba neextra time umtshele ke wena ngoba usuyazazi nawe ukuthi uzuphula umthetho umtshele ukuthi yazi mama kunama penalty la ngicabanga ukuthi sengizobuya ngo12 susayine icontract futhi ngo12 kufanele ubuye la ekhaya uma kwenzekile ke ukuthi ke mhlambe uhlalele nensizwa ngale kwa12 yabona bese uyamtshela mama yazi ngicela ulale ngoba ngizobuya kusasemnandi la insizweni uyabona ususayine icontract uzobuya ngesikhathi hayi mhlambe uzobuya ngabo 1 akusabalwanga ukuthi kungenzeka kube khona insizwa enenkinga ye transport ukuthi ke idinga ukuhanjiswa ekwayo yabona akusabalanga futhi ukuthi kungenzeka wena udlule lapha egarage uthola izinsizwa ezinye zalapha egarage nazi ikhulumela ngebhola akusabalanga lokho bese ke ugcina ufika endlini ngabo 3 uzomthola ngalalela ehlele ethi why didn't you call me and tell me ukuthi you're going to be delayed aw ngithelala nje no you are very unfair I thought you were dead aw sengifanele manje lapho ke futhi awusathethisela ukuthi ubuye late usuthethisela ukuthi uphule ama contract amathathu ongazange wasayine ubungekho wacabanga impela siphilayo le wabe ngcono mama bakithi uthola nje imbebizane uhambe uyekhalela lapha kuvele kufaka isandla mfowethu uzokhalisa iambulance uma ungenambali nje inkinga zakho zizaba yiningi imbizi zokwenzana
ngena ngembali ngo3
hayi ngiyakutshela uJuju ubuye kodlala udibana naleli maziyalwa untibana mbambisa ama chips
bamba la
bahlala balo labathi
abone kumcondo omuhle ukuthi abaleke nawo ngiyakutshela uJuju akezwa mshini eze nawo kimi
mama chips
hey
wathathephi
yafuna ora awafuni mina
lo mntwana uyangilinga zange ngisawayeke la ma chips injabulo benginayo mangizihleplela Ngiyakutshela umnikazi wama-chips uNtibana afike ngokukhulu ukuphazama kweso, angithole ngisahlafuna wona.
Oh, uthumele lo mntwana. Kodwa udla ama-chips wakho. Kodwa udla ama-chips wakho. Wena ungazi.
Ngiyakutshela idecide ukungena la endlini. Ngithi ngisabhekile iphume na2 yamaphakethe womdoko. Ngiyakutshela lo mntwana ungifake enkingeni. I-revenge yalo muntu ivele yangiphathisa ngekhanda.
Gwethu.
Jo yamazi ugwethu yahlangene. Yona wena ungathengi kulo muntu lo, last ungithengisela umdoko obolile. Nyovest ungayenzi lento lo, ungathi umdoko wami ubolile kuma customer.
Wayahlala rasa. Ayaskhrima yo.
Yo. Ungene ndoda la wathatha 2 emidoko.
Vele sintu ngekho sebayazenzela la ekhaya, hayi.
Lo uyangijwayela. UNtibana kangiyo. Futhi ngiyeza lapha eGoli, ngizomsolva lo.
To be continued. Uyabuya ubhiki. Thanks guys, thanks for watching and thanks for your support. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I will appreciate that a lot. Like, comment and share. See you on the next upload.